Business lesson kung isa kang negosyante. Are you humble enough to check, critique, and correct yourself? Alam mo, as a chief strategist of several companies, my job is simple. To solve problems fast and to solve them right. Every single day, itong nangyayari sa utak ko. I assess situations, find the root cause, identify the main objective, build a solution, design the framework for it, and communicate it clearly for order and command. And ito ang totoo. Kahit gaano ka kagaling, hindi lahat ng una mong idea ay tama. Kaya I go into what I call my mental world, the quiet internal space where I challenge my own thoughts. Ang tawag ko doon, checking. Sometimes I realize that my ideas could be better. Mali ako. Tawag ko doon, critique. But the real discipline comes in correction. Having the humility to refine the idea and the courage to execute the better version. Kasi sa totoo lang, you can't build empires if you cannot confront your own errors. Purpose must always be greater than your pride. Real leaders don't defend their ideas. They develop them until they got it right. Uy, gusto mo bang mas gumanda palalo ang takbo ng buhay mo? Ang kailangan mo ay tamang mindset, tamang skill set, at tamang direksyon. Para talagang alam mo ang mga step na gagawin para magkaroon ng pagbabago, instant shift at instant change sa iyong buhay. Paano kung meron ka ng oportunidad na magkaroon ng immersive experience ng pagbabago? Alam mo, sumama ka sa December 13 sa isang event na tinatawag na Grand Exponential You Summit. Immersive experience that could possibly bring instant change in your life. Beginning with your mindset and then to your heart, to your soul, and of course, tamang skills. Ang best part, hindi ito 15,000. Sa halagang 999 only, magkakaroon ka na ng ticket dito. Register today. Not next year, not next month, not next week, not tomorrow. Register today and reserve your slots. This is Coach Migs, your Chief Strategist.